Wait, Pia Wurtzbach next Heart Evangelista daw? Ano nga ba ito? Let me spill the tea. So, if you've been following Pia lately, napansin niyo ba? She's been leveling up her fashion game. Attending fashion weeks kabi-kabilaan at recently nga ay spotted naman siya sa malalaking red carpets and posting these gorgeous high fashion looks. Parang familiar, di ba? Heart Evangelista paved the way as the Philippines' fashion darling, painting on Birkins, befriending designers, living that luxury lifestyle. Now, Pia is walking that same path, but with her own Miss Universe elegance and global appeal. But here's the thing. Pia is not copying. She's carving her own lane. We don't need to pit them against each other. The Philippines can have two fashion queens, right? What do you think, Team Heart? Team Pia or Team Both? Comment below.